The DJI Dock 3 is a game-changer in the world of drones, offering a robust and intelligent drone-in-a-box solution. This latest iteration boasts significant upgrades, including the ability to be mounted on a vehicle, making it perfect for search and rescue missions, emergency services, and inspections. *1. Key features *_ vehicle mounting _ The DJI Dock 3 can be easily mounted on a vehicle, allowing for mobile deployment and extending its operational range. *1 *2. Improved durability _ With an IP56 rating, the Dock 3 can withstand harsh weather conditions, including temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius and as high as 50 degrees Celsius. *1 *2. Enhanced intelligence _ The Dock 3 features automatic change detection, allowing it to identify and record changes on the ground, making it ideal for security and environmental monitoring. *1 Compatibility _ The Dock 3 is designed to work with the new DJI Matrice 4D and 4TD drones, offering improved flight performance, multiple cameras, and a laser rangefinder. *1 *2 BVLOS ready _ The DJI Dock 3 is designed for beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) operations, allowing for automated flight routes and remote deployment. *1 Overall, the DJI Dock 3 is a powerful tool that rises to any challenge, offering a reliable and efficient solution for various industries, including public safety, infrastructure maintenance, and environmental monitoring. *3